Alright guys, real question. If I gave you this phone to hold and don't tell me the name of the price, you probably say it costs around $600 to $800, right? It's got a metal body, wireless charging, AI features, and even a heart rate sensor. Yes, a heart rate sensor. This is the Infinix Note 50 Pro and it's just around $230. I'm giving you the full breakdown. We are talking design, performance, battery, camera, the cool AI stuff, and of course, whether it's worth your money or not. Okay, let's start with what's inside the box because honestly, this shocked me. Inside, you get the phone, obviously, a 90-watt fast charger, a USB-C cable, a USB-C wired earphones, a free clear case, and a pre-installed screen protector on the phone. Guys, this charger alone would cost you extra if you bought a Samsung phone. Infinix just give it to you free. And the USB-C earphones, that's rare these days. I swear, that's very rare. And let's talk about the design. This phone is sleek. It has a metal frame around the sides, not plastic. And it's just solid. It's got this modern flat edge look that's really in trend right now. Almost like it's an iPhone from the side, right? Then look at the back. This cool octagon shaped camera module gives it personality. It doesn't look boring like some phones do. It's 198 grams, which is not too heavy, and it's got a 5200 milliampere battery inside. That's a big battery for a slim phone like this. And yes, it's got a IP67 splash air protection. Don't go swimming with it, but you are safe if someone spills water on the phone. Now let's talk about the display. The display is one of my favorite thing. It's a big 6.7-inch AMOLED screen. AMOLED means the colors are super vibrant and blacks are truly black. It just look nice. No other way to say it. And the smoothness, 144 Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling feels a battery. Like when you get a brand new phone and everything just works so fast. And I watched a whole movie on this and the experience was very great. And I got this JBL stereo speaker. The sound is loud, clear, and I still have some bass to it. If you watch videos or play music a lot, you enjoy this. The under display fingerprint scanner is quick, but heads up, it doesn't like all your finger. So if you just finish eating suya or fries, wipe your hands clean before you do anything. The Note 50 Pro uses the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate chip. Now, I know that sounds technical, but here is what it means in real life. It handles normal tasks like WhatsApp, Instagram, and YouTube smoothly. I played Call of Duty Mobile on medium to high settings, and it worked fine. It runs well, but don't expect super high-end gaming like a $1,000 smartphone. Still, for $230, this is a solid phone. It does get a little warm after 2 to 30 minutes of gaming, especially outside. The metal frame keeps the heat in. Infinix, if you are listening, maybe add a little cooling fan inside next time. On the other hand, let's talk about something really important: battery. This one has 5200 milliampere power battery, which lasts the whole day even with the heavy use. I was scrolling TikTok, watching YouTube, chatting on WhatsApp, and still it lasted till bedtime. And this 90-watt charger is crazy fast. It takes the phone from 0 to 100% in about 30 minutes. That's faster than getting ready for date. Also, it has a reverse wireless charging. So if your earbuds or friend's phone is dying, you can charge it wirelessly from your Infinix. Super cool. Now let's talk about the camera. So the main camera is 50 megapixels. That's a big number, but more importantly, this actually takes a good photos. Daylight photos are sharp and colorful. Night mode is surprisingly good too. You will still get usable photos when it's dark. Just keep your hand steady. The ultra wide camera is just 8 megapixels. It's okay for the wide shot, but not amazing. Use it only when you really need it. The selfie camera is 32 megapixels and the picture comes out clear. Great for Instagram or WhatsApp DP. Just don't move too fast or it gets a little blurry. The phone has some fun AI features too, like circle to search. You can draw a circle around something on your screen and it will search it on Google. It found it instantly. There's an AI cutout which removes people or objects from your photos. Like if someone walked into your picture by mistake, you can remove them. And don't forget Flux AI, Infinix voice assistant. I said I'm tired and it replied you are amazing. Okay, then I will take that motivation. Only thing is Infinix, please give us 3 years of a software update next time. That will keep the phone fresh longer. Alright, so here is my final verdict. For $230, this phone gives you premium design, big AMOLED display, super fast charging, great speaker, solid main camera, fun AI features, even wireless and reverse wireless charging. If you don't need a 5G or full waterproofing, this phone is crazy deal. It punches way above its price. Perfect for students, first-time smartphone buyers, or anyone who wants a powerful phone without spending too much money. So yes, I recommend it. And if you have any question or want to see any comparison with any other phones, drop it in the comment section below. Thank you very much. And secondly, please don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel. I'm trying to reach because right now I'm in 70 subscribers. I want to reach from 100 subscribers to 1000 subscribers. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you very much. Bye.